Alright, let's do a quick video about MIS capacitors. You'll find this example if you click on Apps, Synopsys, Applications Library, and then click on CMOS, and then we're right here, MIS TCAD number 1. So all you got to do is project, save as a clean project. I'm just going to call it temp right now because I've already got one. And it's a good idea just to do operations, clean up, even renumber the tree. If it kind of hangs on renumber the tree, you can just exit the program and then come back in and it'll fix it. I think I fixed that issue so you won't have to do that, but anyway, here it is. So we have Centaurus Device Editor. We'll edit the commands. And what I do is I calculate the maximum depletion width so that I can place the mesh tight in that area and then relax it in the other area. And really the variables are the oxide thickness, width of the substrate, thickness of the substrate. 2 microns is not reasonable, right? Wafers are greater than 100 microns, but it speeds up the simulation. This is the doping. And this is the number of grids. 40 seems to work well. And then here's fixed oxide charge, and I've just put in some that have been, I've seen in lab, right? Now just one thing. This is set up for the mercury probe. So that's the work function of mercury, which is close to aluminum, which we'll be doing in the other class. And you can see that it extracts the threshold voltage, right? Let's just, there is a lot of code here, all right? But you can see NI is set properly, right? It follows the notes. And you can see that it doesn't exactly extract what we put into it, especially the fixed oxide charge. And I have seen this in lab. And the thing is if we just look at it, take a CV curve. That it's finding C min, but it's of a high frequency plot, which it can depend. If I had stopped the simulation right where the mouse button is, I would get a slightly different value. So it can be somewhat finicky. But extracting CVs and threshold voltages with a mercury probe is a great screening tool, even with that kind of uncertainty. That's pretty much it. File works pretty well.